Entra para aí, foda-se. Malta, não estejam atrás, senão vai correr mal.
Oh my god, are they slide?
Is this like a slide or what? E a mãe vai atrás dele, olha.
Vai empurrá-lo, olha.
Oh, hey!
So we just ate and now we're relaxing and we're making some food for the elephants. And then we're gonna go to the mud bath and swimming. Is it swimming? I think so. Swimming. Making them feel comfy. It's awesome though if they just
Oh yeah, okay. Okay.
Oh!
Yeah, get your bananas in here now. Banana person, okay.
You have no idea.
But you're the one that placed it there?
I don't remember doing shit.
But I remember. So, our last full day in Chiang Mai, and we came out to some diner thingy, but it's breakfast food. And look, and Carly's sitting around, there's a freaking cat next to her. Like, of course. Hi guys, so we're on our last day in Chiang Mai, and we went for breakfast today. It was freaking amazing. Best breakfast we had all week. Your bananas were really good.
Oh, that was the best banana in the whole world.
Literally, I don't even like bananas. I can insert image after. Can you shh? I'm doing, okay, anyways, and now we are at our pool. Hanging out, chilling, tanning.
And we're gonna go to the cat cafe. I'm too excited.
Yeah, and I have allergies. I might die, but it's fine. It's fine. Megan over here taking pictures and poses, and then our two other friends are, they don't give a I'm just tanning. Yes, Megan, yes. Yes. So we just got ready. We need a taxi. We went swimming for a bit and all went and changed and got ready because we're going to a cat cafe. Because Carly loves cats. And I may die because I'm allergic, but it's okay. It's okay. My alka. This music makes me dance. Oh, it's out of focus. It is. You're allowed to call them by their name, but you can't meow. You can't. The egg yolks are at a cat cafe. Carly's living her best life right now. And we adopted one of them. Looks like an egg. So, part of the egg yolks. What are those? So we were just at the cat cafe and now we are walking around taking some photos and we're gonna go to this mall. It's called Maya.
I think I'm losing my mind.
cockroach somewhere near our building.
And we're not
And
sleeping.
we're all really scared of cockroaches.
It's huge.
Carly came encountered with
It was
it.
the worst thing in the world!
And now we're trying to decide on if it's worth getting our clothes
Or
right
leaving
now
them
or leaving them outside.
And we're not sleeping tonight
And
until we see it.
our flight is in the morning and we need to pack, but all our clothes are out there with the cockroach.
We're not bringing them. I'm scared I am.
That's an update for us.
That's the worst experience of my life.
So now we are leaving Chiang Mai and we are off to
Phuket.
Phuket. So we are all, bless you, Alyssa. We're ready to go. Hey guys, we are on our 6th flight on our way to Phuket. We land in like 15 minutes. And Meg over here is playing. I don't even know. But yeah, that's what that looks like.
Wait, how did you leave? Oh, I see.
We have finally arrived in Phuket, and now we have a long ride. Well, not that long. It's only 1 hour. But, okay, I know. We're on our way to a hotel, so. We just arrived in our hotel, and we are taking pictures of everything that's damaged because we paid $5 million for a deposit. We're ballers. It is Friday, and we are in Phuket, in Patong, on Patong Beach actually. And we are looking for a breakfast place. And yeah. So we had breakfast at some place I don't know the name of.
Did you show your food?
I took a photo. I will insert it here.
It's called iCroon.
It's called iCroon. Okay. Anyways, we ate food, and I didn't take a video because I suck at this. And then now, we are a loner. Anyways, we're better than her. And I'm missing lashes, and I can't get a lash fill because my lashes, my lash lady isn't here. So that's what that looks like. Anyways, we're going to the beach. Yeah. Go.
We're all
Last night we were walking down Bangla Street, and there's this thing called a ping pong show. I look like I have highlight on my nose, but I don't. I just sweat. But we were walking down the street, and there's like this thing called ping pong show, and we find out that the ping pong show is girls shooting ping pong balls out of their. So we are going to dinner now. We just got ready. I don't know where we're eating. 13 something. Lucky 13. That one. Lucky 13. And then we're gonna go out. And Megan has to talk about something to you.
dealing with other girls is really hard because they're running away from me. I'm just trying to vlog. But we are going to a club right now. We're going to Illusions to see how it is. And then we might bar hop. But yeah, that's and everyone's underage but me. But basically we're gonna just anyways, I'm the youngin. And I'm the oldie.
Yeah, that's why we
I'm the only one that's actually legal of age here.
And we're matching.
And I don't know how many times we've actually drank.
What I realize is no one stops here, but once they blink or like put on their hazards, we know that they're stopping. But it took us a whole like week to realize that. We're getting smarter, I swear. And we realized that our hotel room fits 6 people. It took us a whole day to realize, oh, there's a person heading into me. A whole day that you just fold it out and it flips into a bed. Did you know? Now you know.
I didn't know until the very moment where you told me it.
So it is the next morning. We woke up and we're gonna go eat breakfast at Lucky 13 and then go to the beach. So we have made it out for breakfast and I am vlogging my food now. This is what I got, but I don't like capers and it came with capers. I don't even know what capers are, to be honest, but anyways.
Probably don't have much taste.
Carly got French toast. Megan got a bowl of, I don't know. She got tomatoes and fries. As you can tell, I give it a 10 out of 10. It was amazing. Carly gives hers a 10 out of 10. Clearly, it was amazing. Megan says 10 out of 10 for only her bacon.
No, I'd say the bacon's 10 out of 10, especially when you dip it in the syrup. The eggs are pretty good compared to like what we've gotten so far. But the tubular
The tubular chicken.
is like a 5.
Okay. Melissa?
Fries, 10 out of 10.
Okay.
It's 8 out of 10.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we are at our pool, just swimming. Megan, I can't really see you on the thing. So we are just, you know, chilling at our pool. I can't see you. I can't either. Update. We are at our pool, and then we're gonna walk to the beach because we want photos, but we're not actually going to the beach because we don't like the sand.
No, and it's kind of dirty.
That's true. It's dirty. There was a bag on me yesterday. And then we're going to... Megan wants a picture with a coconut, so that's basically why we have to go down there.
Water for 50 bucks.
50 baht only. And then we're gonna...
We'll probably have to find somewhere to eat dinner.
That's true. And then we're gonna go out tonight. So we are on a boat tour, and we're doing 4 islands that I don't know the name of.
After check-in, you have some tea coffee on the table, free, eh? Tea coffee.
Got off our boat, and we are having some Thai food. Thai buffet.
For the first time.
Yeah, for the first time, we're trying it because it's a buffet. This is what it looks like. How do you like it?
It's actually really good.
Yeah, we were scared to try it, but it's good.
Finally experiencing rain, even though it says it's been raining.
So we are experiencing a rain shower
For the first time.
on Phi Phi Island.
Even though it said it's been raining this whole time we've been here.
It hasn't. She doesn't like us. Doesn't like us.
Apparently not.
Wait, guys. So we are at Lucky 13 for breakfast, and I have got beef French toast. Oh wait, I'll flip the camera. Got it with raspberries. Megan got hers with apple. Alyssa got a tuna sandwich. Carly hasn't got her food yet, so I don't know what she got. So, it is our last day in Thailand. Our trip has come to an end. We're going to get tattoos. How you feeling?
You think it's all street food? Should we quickly just check?
Well, there's shops over here.
A bunch of random.
Just telling me.
I'm getting my first ever footlong.
How old are you?
20.
So Megan just got her first ever footlong. But like,
Never had it.
this is the hottest footlong I've ever had.
This is the only footlong I've ever had.
Oh, that's a tragedy.
Video. She got it all. Show the camera what happened.
This is what happened. I paid 5 bahts extra for that. Like 21 cents. So we are on our first flight on our way back home. We are going very long. We're going
our bags, all excited to be home, you know. And 3 of our luggages are missing. So Megan got hers, Carly and Alyssa's is on its way here. It's arriving tonight, and mine, nowhere to be found in the system.